peace or war?
IMAX, for starters, is a great experience.
I will have war.
The Battle of Five Armies in IMAX is jaw-dropping.
This was the last move in a master plan.
This like crashing moment where the battlefield comes together and comes alive.
The IMAX screen is so immersive that you feel like you are actually in some of those scenes.
The way Peter Jackson has choreographed the battle is so visually stunning. And what I love about IMAX is that immersive nature of being able to watch the movie in that way.
You started this. You will forgive me if I finish it.
That IMAX is the atmosphere in which you want to experience these big, epic, incredible masterpieces.
It's like the picture, especially in 3D, absolutely like pulls you into the action.
That shock of getting out of the real world into the world of the film is just overpowering and overwhelming in a very good way.
Some films are born for the IMAX screen, and those scenes were just made for it.
I can't imagine Middle-earth being depicted any other way.
You have but one question to answer. How shall this day end?
It's a huge, epic film that must be seen on an IMAX screen.